Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are on the video mode, but it does not really matter, you can be on the photo mode, portrait mode. We have to open the settings, they are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on them, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it. Before we will do it, let me turn on the green lines. Let's go back. As you can see, they are here. They will be a visual evidence that the reset option worked because they will disappear after the resetting option. So as I said, let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset settings. Tap on reset, and as you can see, your device will bring you back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.